I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to replace a standard flapper in your toilet. When replacing a standard flapper, first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and shut the water off. Now the flappers can be replaced without turning the water off. It's a little easier if you turn it off first. Then flush the toilet. Now a standard flapper, typically made of rubber, some of them are hard plastic. You just reach in and pop the two ears off. They come off of two little hooks from down below. Then disconnect your chain from the flapper, or from the arm. Then they do come, like I say, in different sizes, different shapes. You'll want to take this with you to match it up. Make sure you get the right one. Now that you've got your new flapper, take that, slide it down in the toilet, reattach it to the little arms, and reattach your chain to the tank lever. Now you will need to adjust the length of that chain. It's done simply by taking the chain, reattaching it to the hook at the proper length. A chain that's too long will hold itself up and cause the toilet to run. Now you've replaced the flapper. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing. We've shown you how to replace a standard flapper for a toilet.